What's up, guys? We're back with another video here. As you guys can see, like right about there, it's snowing outside, guys. So me and my dad and my brother back there, we're gonna be going and messing around in the snow. You guys can see right there, and we're just gonna go have some fun. Me and my older brother's coming too, so. Let's go, guys. Walking into Walmart. Gotta get some tranny fluid with this little kid right here.
Home is living. Walmart.
Said I wasn't even filming. I'm just seeing this big old guy doing donuts. Imagine that guy in the van. Just see this. Yo, I think she was videoing it too. That's so funny.
We're gonna get her tag.
Yeah, who cares? It's probably a problem.
That one guy right there. There's a guy behind us.
Oh.
He's just standing there. He turned around and was like,
Guys, so we're about to head home, but we're going back out later to ride. To go out there with my brother because he couldn't come out right now. So then I wanted to show you guys what we're going to be doing for the video coming Sunday. It's coming out, but I'm filming it on Saturday and Sunday. So it's going to be edited on Sunday and it's going to come out on Sunday. Like Sunday around maybe midday. So alright, guys, I'm about to show you guys what I got for what we're going to be doing for the next video.
we got a twin air mattress.
My brother up there, that kid that don't want to ever show his face, got one. So we got a twin, got the pump up one, got that. This is not sponsored. Sponsor me though. Wish. But I haven't tried it out yet, so we'll see when the video goes up. You guys will see how I like it. Alright, guys, so we are about to go off-roading. If you guys watch Mike Street Speed 717 or Diablo Formula Racing, they went to this off-roading spot. It's in Harrisburg, PA. And it's about an hour maybe away from me. So we were like, wow, that's really shaky. Let me hold it with my other hand. So me and my brother were like, yeah, let's go up there. So we're going to be heading up there in probably like the next 30 minutes or so. Don't know what time it is right now. I need to get a clock in this room. So I know it's like probably like 4:20. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Oh, man. My hair. So yeah, guys. So we're gonna be heading off there. If you watch DFR, like I was saying, watch DFR. They met him and I think it was Hammer Down Motorsports. Yeah, Hammer Down Motorsports. They went up there in Andy's truck before it blew up and off-road, and it was actually pretty cool looking. So, alright, guys, see you when we get there. Yeah.
we're gonna slide up there.
You gotta stop her. I think Scott's being a big old wuss.
Again?
Yeah, I don't want to go through. The Hyundai's going through.
Nastiness!
Hey.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.